If you're a bird lover, you need to see these long-legged wonders. Let's jump right in. First up, the flamingo. With legs that look like they go on forever, flamingos are the pink supermodels of the bird world. They even stand on one leg to chill. Next, the great blue heron. Talk about elegance. This bird struts through marshes like it's walking the runway. Those legs are perfect for wading through water. Third, the secretary bird. This bird could be a model with legs like those. And bonus, it's a snake-hunting superhero. Fourth, the ostrich. These guys have legs built for speed. They can outrun a car at 43 miles per hour. Plus, they're the world's largest birds. Last but not least, the marabou stork. Not winning any beauty contests, but those legs get the job done. They're nature's cleanup crew. So there you go, 5 amazing long-legged birds. Which one's your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more bird fun.